Before you begin to learn math, you have to learn the language of math. And this language starts with something so simple yet so powerful, a variable. And today we will understand what variables really are and why mathematicians choose symbols instead of words. So, what is a variable? A variable is simply a symbol like XYZ, alpha, beta that represents a value. But the important part is the actual value can change depending on the situation. It is like a placeholder. You use it when you want to talk about a value, but you either don't know what it is or you want your statement to be true for any value in a certain set. So instead of choosing one specific number, you give that unknown a temporary name and make the statement general. Now let's understand the first point of the definition with the help of an example. Is there a number with the following property? Doubling it and adding 3 gives the same result as squaring it. This sentence says whether there exists a number such that the result we get after squaring it is the same as the result we get after doubling it and adding 3. Here the word it is ambiguous, so we introduce a variable x and now the messy English sentence turned into a beautiful mathematical statement. You can see that using the variable x lets us actually compute and figure out what the number might be. And to emphasize the idea of a placeholder, you can even write it like this. Here the emptiness of the box can help you imagine filling it with variety of different values to see which ones make the equation true and which ones do not. Now let's understand the second point of the definition with the help of another example. No matter what number might be chosen, if it is greater than 2, then its square is greater than 4. Here the example says whatever number you choose from a particular set, if it is greater than 2, then its square must be greater than 4. And if we introduce a variable n here, this becomes, here the variable n represents any arbitrary number you choose. These two ideas, using variables to remove ambiguity and to keep statements general, are the foundation of mathematical language. From these examples, you can see how variables turn confusing English sentences into clear mathematical language. They make problems easier to understand and help us reason more precisely. Here are a few examples you can try on your own to strengthen your understanding. In the next class, we will learn about sentences, statements, their differences, and the structure that makes mathematical thinking possible. Subscribe so you don't miss it and feel free to comment any questions. I'll try to respond to everyone.